Good morning, students. Today we will read more about the mountains and plateaus. So, let us start our chapter 3rd, that is major landforms, page number 19. Okay, student. Now, start the chapter. Page number 19, mountains. Mountains are very tall, rising over all surroundings and have steep slopes. Very tall. Look at this picture, students. It is very tall. Mountains are very tall, rising over all surroundings. Rising means developed or growth. Okay, just all surroundings and have steep slopes. So, student, steep means here the word steep. It means vertical, खड़ी, and slope means downgrade means ढड़ी. ढलान. It means खड़ी ढलान है यहाँ mountains पर. These are landforms that cover nearly 25% of the land on earth. These are landforms. ये landforms हैं that cover nearly 25% of the land on earth. Nearly 52% of Asia is covered by mountain. Okay, we are saying about the mountains. Mountains are very tall, rising over all surrounding and have steep slopes. Okay, now move on next page. Mountains. Features of mountains. Okay, now features of mountains. So student, features means characteristics and symptoms means विशेषताएं of mountains. First point, the height of a mountain is measured from above the main sea level. Always calculate the height of the mountain above the sea level. Okay, now second point here. Mountain is a landform that rises to a height of 900 meters or more above the sea level. Mountain is a landform that rises. Rises means developed or growth. Height of 900 meters or more above the sea level. Third point, the pointed top of the mountain is called its peak. Like these are the peaks. Okay, students. Now, so the pointed top of mountain is called its peak. The height and shape of mountains depend on when they were formed. The height and shape of mountain depend on they were formed. Young mountains like the Himalayas are taller with conical pointed. So student, conical means cone shape. Okay. While older mountains like the Aravallis are shorter in height with rounded peak. Conical, these are the conical. Okay. This Himalaya and Aravalli are shorter in height with rounded peaks. Rounded peaks means this type. Okay. I hope you understand. A number of mountains join together to form a chain or range. Mountains range can extend. Extend means enlarge or enhance. 400 of kilometer like the Himalayan range. Mountain range can extend means vistar 400 of kilometer. Mountain ranges extend 400 of kilometer like the Himalayan range. Okay, these are the features of mountains. After that, importance of mountain. The mountains are very useful to us because of the following reason. First, they prevent the severe cold and extreme hot wind from entering a particular region. So, it means severe, stiff and grievous means gambhir. So, they prevent the severe cold and extreme hot winds. Second point, rivers that originate in the mountains provide water for agriculture in the plains. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna, they provide water for agriculture in the plains. They also have dense forests, reserves and pastures or grazing land. So student, pastures is a grassland. So grassland for or grazing land. They also dense forests and reserves and pastures or grazing land. Minerals resources are also found in the mountains. So mineral, student, minerals means a natural substance such as coal, salt, oil found in the ground. We call it minerals. Okay. So mineral resources are also found in the mountains. Many hill stations and other peaks are popular tourist destination. Destination means right way and place. So many hill stations and other peaks are popular tourist destination. Yeah. Number of people living in mountains is very low because first, harsh climatic condition of the mountains do not allow the practice of agriculture. So student, word here is harsh, harsh climate. So harsh means stiff and tough climate of the mountains do not allow the practice of agriculture. After that, the layer of soil that covered the mountain is very thin and is also not good for cultivation. Cultivation means for agriculture. So, is also not good for cultivation. The uneven landforms make it difficult to build road and houses. Uneven. Uneven. Why we call it uneven? Because look at here. These are the uneven. Okay. So, uneven landforms make it difficult to build road and houses. I hope you understand. Now, page number 21, study about the plateau. Plateau. A plateau also rises high above its surroundings, but it has a flat top. Plateau rises means develop and growth. The plateau also rises high. Look at here, student. This rises high above its surroundings. These are the surrounding areas, student. Look, it's surrounding areas. But it has a flat top. This is a flat top. So a plateau also rises high above its surroundings, but it has a flat top. Therefore, it is often called a tableland. That's because it's shaped like a table. That's why we call it tableland. Plateaus are found in every continent and cover 1/3 of the Earth's land area. Clear, student? Okay. Move on next page. Features of plateau. You know features? Yes. Now, features of plateau. Plateaus can be very large and often extend over hundreds of kilometers. Plateaus are generally found on leeward side of mountains, which means they get very little rainfall. Now, student, in second para, leeward. Leeward means, it means, leeward means the direction in which the wind is blowing. We call it leeward. Leeward means the direction in which the wind is blowing. We call it leeward. Which means they get very little rainfall. Plateaus enjoy short, dry and cold winters. Thus, the season for cultivation of crop is also short. Why it is very short? Because the season for cultivation of crop is also short. Because it is short, dry and cold winter. That's why the crop is also short. Rivers flowing through plateaus often create deep canyons like the Great Canyon is Colorado Plateau. So, student, canyons means valley and Colorado Plateau is Great Canyon. Okay. Now, importance of plateaus. First point, like mountains, plateaus are also very useful for us. Mining is an important occupation practiced in these regions. Plateaus that are very old have rich minerals deposits and grasslands are found in plateaus. Cattle and sheep are reared in the grassland. So student, rear means rear up and bring up. Okay, this is called the rear. So grasslands are found in plateaus. Cattle and sheep are reared in the grassland. Thank you so much, student. Thank you so much.